We got the boys together again.
What can I say?
The boys. We're cleaning out the boathouse.
Not to it.
So that I can have my room up there and we can sleep in it tonight.
My knees hurt.
Your knees always hurt.
Ah! Let's go.
Here we go.
Alright, listen boys. This is what's happening. We are listening to what I say.
No. We're chucking these off right now.
We are taking this out.
But we need a spot to throw it. I need.
No, we don't.
Does anyone have their phone?
Why can't we just?
I do. Right. Do you have your phone?
Yeah.
Why can't we
look for a dump? No, but Gabe, we can just get it out.
We're getting it out first. Gabe, listen,
anyway.
listen. We'll focus on the dump after. We're gonna get everything set in here.
Well, see, I asked my dad if we can throw it out and stuff.
And we can.
And then
we're gonna get it all situated in here first. Then we'll find a dump. All right? Beautiful.
I was thinking it would like break or something.
Catch.
No,
let's
bring that one out
We can
first.
have it land on top.
No, that's a horrible idea.
Why is it
It's a great
I'm
idea.
in charge of this operation.
That's a lie.
Gabe, you have tried and you have failed. Go!
Yeah! Woo! Let's go!
We just discovered we can actually rip the backs off. Film Gilbert.
He's trying.
What? Yeah. How's it going, Jackson?
Good.
Great.
Hey,
Gilbert needs more screen time. Break it!
Yo, there's a cord in it. Not anymore.
Okay, you're on my foot. Hey Jackson, go down below. Look out, here it comes. Yeah! Chuck it. We're gonna get that.
What?
chuck it.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go. That worked very well.
Table. We don't.
They tied them together. Are you recording, Jackson?
Yeah.
We gotta go. See, Hey. I think we can get it now.
Yo, Oliver, there's a bird in a nest right there in that tree.
Where?
Right here. Come here. Come to me. Don't scare it away, dog.
In here?
Right there. Yo, tell the father. No, don't.
There's a bird with a nest sitting here right now.
Is there eggs in there?
It's a mourning dove. They're probably sitting on eggs. Oh no, it's actually chicks, I'm pretty sure.
Maybe find another, put it in that tree there.
Oh, I'm not. We'll go get Gabe to do the hard work. Gabe!
Yeah.
Gabe! Where's Gabe at? Is Gabe inside? Okay. Gabe! He just walked outside? Gabe! Where'd he go?
I don't know. I haven't.
Spencer planted out here.
Oh, he was getting a vacuum cleaner, but I didn't see him go upstairs.
Gabe!
He's in the house. He's in the house.
Thank you.
We just bring these outside.
I like that game.
Gabe, we have a quest for you.
You have to move a bird's nest to a different tree.
So yeah, Gabe, we have a quest for you, and it's a surprise. Because neither Gilbert and I want to do it, so you have to do it.
Yeah, that's what I kind of figured by I want to do the quest.
I know.
So we're cutting down the tree, right, Gabe?
Yeah.
Well, let's surprise you. Come here.
Gabe. So yeah, we can't cut down a tree without you fulfilling the quest, though.
You have to move this bird's nest with the mother in it to that tree.
Come over here.
Well, I can see.
It literally has babies.
You have to move the bird nest.
There's babies in it. There goes. Okay, the bird just got off. Gabe, now's a chance. Grab the nest. Go.
Okay. Why?
Leave it. All right.
He's gonna attack me.
It's a she,
Oh,
obviously.
look at the babies.
Well, it could be a man. The dad doesn't have to be the only one that leaves. All right. Yeah. Look at they are very. We can't touch them though. They're getting cold, Oliver. We need their mother to come back.
All right, Oliver. Pretend,
Wow, what a terrible mom.
pretend to be a mother.
Gilbert, you're the smallest one. Actually, Jackson's still on the eggs.
Dude, I gotta tell you, when I saw that bird, I freaked out. I was like, dude,
Bro, they're so cute.
How many babies are there too?
I'll lift you up. Ready? Ah, yep, 2 babies.
Oh
Little guys.
yeah. So tiny.
And alright. I shut off the camera.
What it looks like.
That is.
He did not pin me. I had him on
I
his
did. I
back.
pinned him. I pinned him 2 weeks later.
At the birds.
Yeah, right.
Nails.
Yo, that like perfectly went straight
Wait,
down the
dude.
stairs.
Bro, imagine, dog.
Hey, a heater.
No,
Guys, a heater.
no, quiet.
warm
Imagine
right now,
if
though.
one of those things would have hit the bird.
That would have been so sad.
That would have been fun.
We organized the room a little bit. We got the bed, the chair, other chair, and this is where we're sleeping tonight. And we're heading to the trampoline park. Let's see if we can find more puns to do.
He's dead.
Yo, we didn't vlog like anything. Gilbert is dying. You can't see anything. Who's gonna look at me? I forgot the camera inside, so we're just at the trampoline park. Gilbert is incapacitated beyond all belief. We got. Gabe, is there another light over here? You should go get a flashlight or something.
I need to get. There's another lamp I need to get.
Yeah. I'll show you guys what we bought once we get another light.
Anyways, hello guys.
This is sushi.
We're gonna set this up
We
somewhere
bought some sushi.
from a local pick and save near
You.
Oshkosh, Wisconsin.
You gotta hit the chopsticks.
Oh, wait, take off my Invisalign.
I like it. It worked. We already had. I don't know why I'm using a chopstick.
What is
but-
that in there? Is that the same one as this?
No,
I
it's
think
different.
so.
It's really good.
What is that
Okay,
one?
well, that's a Philadelphia roll. Gabe's never had. Well, he does. He's had sushi.
This says some,
I don't like sushi.
some
really like
cream
it.
cheese. He is still gonna try
Okay,
it.
we're gonna make him try
because
it.
he can.
I said I would try it. Which one is like the most painful to eat?
Oh, most painful.
Okay.
This one. This friggin' tuna.
Yeah.
And salmon on top. The sauce. This is probably this is
The
really
cream
good.
cheese.
No, I
does-
only want to try one because I don't like it, and I just want to try
Hey.
the most miserable one just for
This
the
one?
vlog.
No, this one's gonna be better.
Yeah. Do I do so?
No,
That one
Gabe,
tastes good.
Gabe, you're gonna want to try this.
I will be surprised if you don't like it.
What kind of fish is that?
Crap.
It's imitation crab.
Do I put the whole thing?
Yes,
Or just
eat the whole
Just
thing.
start chewing it.
Eat the whole thing. There's sour. There's cream cheese in it. It's really good. See, it's not bad.
I would stick with the shrimp and stuff like that.
Yeah, the shrimp and the crab is
Now,
basic.
let's
And
go-
this.
Have you had one of the? You have. What is that right in there? In the middle?
I actually don't know what's in the middle.
What
but
type
it's still
of?
really
what
good. You
type
could
of
probably
meat's
have
in
it.
there?
I don't even know what's in
I
it.
might try that. If this, depending
It's
on the
tuna
person.
and salmon on the outside, I believe, and I think that's literally.
Not
just
gonna
rice.
lie.
Just what?
Just rice and stuff.
I might try that then. You want another one?
No, I'm good.
Did it?
Well,
Was it good, though?
I would.
It wasn't bad though. Oh,
It
Gabe,
was
shut the
not
door!
bad.
What are you doing? It's all the cold
Oh
air.
my.
Yeah, that was hot.
Bro,
I know
now
you
this
will.
one, see, this one's got the fancy schmancy. Friggin' pick and save local grocery store stuff.
I don't know what that did.
Yeah, it makes it split easier. Just grab it from the bottom.
Anyways,
You know how to use
I'm
it.
gonna be trying whatever this thing is.
One of the
in the
little
middle.
rice.
I don't
rolls
know how to
in
use
the bottom.
chopsticks anymore.
Right, you hold it
I don't care.
like this,
I literally
then you hold it like a pencil.
take these two, eat those.
Let's see.
What is that? Tuna?
There's tuna, and
That's
I think,
salmon.
okay, see, this is salmon, that one's tuna.
Yeah.
The oranger one's salmon, so this one,
I don't
right
know.
here.
I'm guessing that. Yep. This is probably just rice here.
yeah, you'll like it. It's really good. Pretty good. Okay,
It's not
this
bad
one's
for being-
difficult to grab because it's like
Mm.
touching all the others.
It's got a little bit of
Come on, buddy.
spice there at the end. It's probably
Yeah,
the,
it's the sauce. It's the
sauce.
sauce on top.
I don't
Bro,
know what that is.
Can you like separate from your counterpart?
I would love to separate.
There we go.
Gabe,
This
would you
one is
like
the
to
salmon.
try here? Come here. Come here. It doesn't have any fish in it. It's just rice and
Yeah, this
kind
one's
of
just rice in
something.
the middle.
I'm
What
gonna.
was that? I just kind of feel like drinking.
Whoa.
So do I. Just kidding. Gabe, I got a nice little piece right here for you. He's not feeling too well today, so I'm just kidding. I'm not. My leg right now,
Any lime
it's
disease?
dying. It's not Lyme disease. Gabe, you're gonna try this one.
What is it? Weakness?
Literally, try it. It's just rice.
It's just the
got a
rice
little
roll.
bit of a
It's
kick
got
right
it's spicy. It's got the
Well, I don't mind spice.
Yeah.
What is this thing?
seaweed.
That's seaweed.
Really?
Yeah,
Go for
it's
it.
literally what sushi's wrapped in. Bro, I'm trying to find one of my batteries. Here's one. Gabe, can you plug this in?
I can taste like no spice.
Oh, it kicks. Gabe, plug this in somewhere.
It's not bad.
Make
at
sure the
all.
battery's still.
Hopefully, I brought my charger.
Did it fall out? I fell out right through.
So, I can be
Okay, salmon
The
one
cream-
was pretty good. Salmon one.
I have
tried
never
tuna.
had a Philadelphia roll. Oliver said he was grabbing the California.
I thought I grabbed the California roll, but hey, Philadelphia
Whatever.
rolls are good too.
The Philadelphia roll really.
It's got the cream cheese in
The
it.
cream cheese complements
Okay,
so
here we go.
nicely. I never would have thought. I'm not a fan of cream cheese, but it's very.
This has got the tuna in it.
Also, I'm sorry if I'm like offending Asian people. I don't really care. Actually.
He's not sorry.
Yeah.
You just say you apologize.
Are you gonna try one of these?
Asian people.
I do not like fish, so probably not.
Just saying, the taste of fish is 100% underpowered
By what?
by all the stuff inside.
What's in there?
Looks like the avocado and these little guys.
It's been my, dried kelp in Minecraft. I've always wanted to eat it, but like not like from.
I wish there was just ingredients of what was in it, not just like all the.
You know what Madagascar?
Salted seaweed.
Yeah. You guys know Madagascar when
In the movies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, like the first one when they're at Marty's place on the beach
Yes.
and they're eating the seaweed.
Bro,
I
look
wanted
at
to
this
eat seaweed
beautiful
ever from that point
sushi.
on.
Look at that.
Honestly,
Dried seaweed that looked just like that, I want to eat.
gotta be honest
Gabe,
here.
so you don't
I
wanna
am
try one of these
so
ones?
surprised. I'm so surprised. Pick and Save. We work at a Pick and Save. Me and Oliver actually
I
in a
don't.
different town, and
If we had
we do not have sushi.
If we had sushi, I'd get it every day. No, I'm kidding. I would love my life.
We do not have sushi at
I'm
our
gonna make sure
place.
it's something like that.
But here we have
So
sushi, right? At this place, and this is much better quality than I would have expected from your just.
Bro, they
Pick and Save.
literally have a sushi chef. Festival's the same.
It's
Most
like,
festivals
I'd
have
say
sushi.
festival is pretty good, but this is quite
Bro,
good.
it
It's up
doesn't
there.
compare at all. Like Festival, Meyer, Pick and Save, they obviously don't compare to help an actual sushi place.
Yeah,
But
obviously
it's
But,
freaking good.
You know, for how much was this?
Gabe,
Yeah.
$7, $6.99,
And this one's 12.
and that one was 12.
Gabe, close your eyes and open your mouth. It's not fish. It's wasabi.
I know what wasabi is.
You good there, buddy?
I'm gonna vomit.
Okay.
Go outside.
Yo, I'm gonna do it. There you go. You gotta do it too. Here you go. Get a little.
Okay,
That's
it just
a
like
lot.
went away.
This is about how much I did. Yo, I got my milk up top. Here you go.
It tastes awful.
Oh yeah, it does taste awful. Oh my gosh.
That's some bad wasabi there.
Oh wow.
It's like
It's really weird.
yeah, it's disgusting.
It's hot too. Not like unbearable, obviously. I've had hotter stuff.
Yeah, I've had Gabe.
Go. You gotta do the wasabi. Little dip.
I'm not very great with spice. As
Oh, the spices already went off of me before I even took a drink.
probably tell.
And dairy products like this are the best for getting rid of spice. So if you need to, just reach up there and grab it.
That's not bad.
Gabe, we want.
Quite,
There's not a fridge out here, is there?
No.
Dang it.
well, out of
Outside?
I hate that taste.
Oh, the wasabi?
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like
now,
plastic.
I'm gonna
Yeah, that's
rate
what it-
this.
like-
I'm gonna rate
Okay,
this
now
out
what's
of
this
10.
stuff?
I'm gonna rate this out of 10.
What's this?
Gover's like full on giving you a review.
What's this stuff?
Here we are. That.
What is
you know,
this?
for a nice little
Smell it.
ginger dog.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Anyways, out review. You know, for
I
a
haven't
nice
had
place,
one.
little like Pick and Save, especially from coming from a Pick and Save and not having this. This
I
is
wish
quite
we
a
had
pleasant
sushi.
surprise. So. Out of 10, I'm probably gonna
love that we're
give this
going.
nice Philadelphia roll. Can you die?
He's
I'm probably gonna give it like a nice.
He will like go like when we're having debates or something.
Nice
he'll do
7.
this too. Or whenever
7
he's
out of 10.
explaining-
Yeah, I
Especially
get some
for
on
that.
some.
Nice, especially for that
Philadelphia.
pleasant
I wish you-
surprise.
I wish
No.
you liked fish. You'd love these, go.
Yeah, except I don't like fish, so I wouldn't. like
Gabe,
these.
you like fish?
Gabe, I'm ready to cuddle.
I didn't even.
Gabe, I'm ready to cuddle.
I touched his like he went in and like
No, I hit my chin on this.
he like came, but it like happened at the exact same time that his face like touched my arm. I was like,
Gabe, I want you just to try the sushi. Do you want to try the tuna or the salmon?
I thought we already decided. I already tried 2, and I'm.
Bro, you liked those two. Bro, give me a
I
look.
did not.
Legitimately, can you?
Well, you didn't hate them. They weren't bad.
No, it's different.
Should we just put them outside or should we run
Yo,
them
what
inside?
else did we get in here?
A bunch of stuff.
What else food is there? Can you get up there and show me what's up?
Gaming! Sucks!
Back.
I got myself some drinks. Pepsi Blue.
Looks disturbing.
And this is just, obviously I got the fucking milk there. And this go. I got friggin' lemon Powerade iron water.
You know, I'm
Sponsored.
scared for that. So I have...
Heaven. Mountain Dew. Heaven V2.
Yo, we should start pouring some of that in coffee.
Oh, I'm eating the rest
Well,
of
that's
mine.
because you're a loser.
Gabe's Powerade. Gabe, catch! What a catch? You don't understand.
Dude, I'll read it. I'll read
I thought you already threw it.
Gabe, catch does not mean coward fear. Gabe, is she texting you right now?
Alright, anyways.
Yo, look who it is! No, it's Linnea.
Look who it is.
Hi, one sec.
Hello.
Wow,
We're
wow.
vibing.
We're inconvenient, Gabe.
Apparently.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, are you jealous, Linnea? Look at.
Look,
We're
I've
both in
cuddled
bed.
more with Gabe than you.
We're both in
Oh, we're
bed
at
with
20%.
Gabe.
Nobody cares. Yeah, we're both in bed.
All three of us.
Oh shit, dude. What have I
Cover
done?
the camera.
What have I done? Oh, this is like.
Let's go.
Hey.
You have a Green Bay
Yeah, are you
Packer
jealous?
video?
We're in bed with Gabe.
Is that
It's Gabe's.
Is that Gabe's?
It's Gabe's.
What? What have you done? What? Oh my god. This is breaking news. Why are we recording?
What is going on? We woke up.
We're all awake now.
Just kidding. Gilbert's not.
Gilbert actually is back asleep from when he was awake.
Yeah, we're back. It's what time is it, Gabe?
3. Just kidding, it's like 10.
So yeah, we've been off for like an hour and a half. Just lying here in bed with the boys. And now we're gonna go do
have to be
something
5
probably.
feet apart because we're not gay. Should I say something to get us canceled?
Where are we going?
We're going to the Quick Trip. We're gonna go pick up some glazers.
Look where it is.
The Quick Trip.
Get the sound off.
Okay, I think Gilbert wants the glazers.
We need the glazers.
Glazers.
The glazers.
Why are the glazers?
Where are the glazers?
Oh, these aren't the glazers.
Those are the dunkers. I don't know if they have the glazers. Glazers. Here, okay. Okay, well, that.
What do you do? Back up playing on Dunkers?
Well, I thought we'd get the documentary. This is a travesty.
Dude, they actually have
Well then, guess we're getting dunkers.
chocolate. That's actually what I was in the mood for. I haven't had chocolate in a while.
And then cream-filled long johns. These are the greatest. But I'm not gonna. If I get one, I'm just gonna go for some but I'm not gonna.
Okay.
Dude, don't we need more? Are they just for us or is that for everyone?
We could actually, may as well get like another thing like for everyone.
Blueberry.
I don't think they like blueberry.
Really?
Yeah,
Vanilla? Chocolate? Okay.
We're all set.
Alright, thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Hey, well, they didn't have glazers, but you know.
But they did have donuts.
We got some donuts. And now we're in the car.
I remember the first day I had Dunkers and I literally fell in love.
Dunkers are good. Bro, you know those cakes so it just looks like a big version of Dunkers? They're so good.
Oh yeah. They just because it's like a big version of Dunkers.
Goodbye, Quick Trip. Till next time. We just played spike ball, but forgot to record it. Like the trampoline park, we forgot to record. We're like really great at this whole YouTube thing. And we are getting ready to head out because today's actually Mother's Day. And so Gabe's and his family gotta go out to do their thing. Gilbert and I gotta head home, do our thing. Well, this great sun right here.
What can I say?
Shut up. We just got Mother's Day flowers for Mom. His mom.
Why is there a solar panel right there?
Where?
Is that their energy?
A what?
Bro, and there's like a camera right there. I'm so confused.
Weird. It's the security thing.
Sick.
Anyways, yeah, I already got my mom's stuff yesterday. So, no, it's actually 2 days ago. Today's Sunday, so it's Friday. We're heading home. This is probably gonna be the end of the video, so Gilbert, what would be your final words?
Don't do drugs, kids. Stay in school.
You heard him.
Heard it here first.
I hope it wasn't just. See you in the next one.
He's dead.